Hello and welcome to our comprehensive guide on mastering IELTS writing. Today, we will be discussing the format, question types and the assessment criteria for Task 1 and Task 2. But before we get into that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and never miss another update. So let's dive right in. IELTS writing consists of 2 tasks. You will get a total of 60 minutes to cover both the tasks, with 20 minutes for Task 1, that is report writing, and 40 minutes for Task 2, that is essay writing. Task 1 focuses on report writing, where you will be presented visual information such as graphs, charts or diagrams. You will have to describe and analyze that information in 150 words. Structure your report in an introduction, overview and 2 detailed body paragraphs. The report that you will get in your question paper will be out of these 8 question types. Moving on to Task 2. This requires you to write an essay of at least 250 words. Here, you will have to express your opinion, discuss your ideas, and support your arguments with examples. Task 2 carries more marks as compared to report writing. Structure your essay with a clear introduction, 2 to 3 body paragraphs, and a balanced conclusion that summarizes the entire essay. On the day of your test, you will get an essay question that will be out of these 10 question types. Both the tasks in writing are assessed on 4 criteria, that are task achievement or task response, lexical resource, cohesion and coherence, and grammatical range and accuracy. In conclusion, you will need strategic planning and time management to do well in your IELTS writing. Apart from that, you should also read a lot of samples and practice regularly. For more details about the IELTS test, enroll with IMS Venturi. For further details, check out the caption or comments below. Thank you.